Okay, today I've got a really super simple recipe for you. It's actually called steam fried broccoli or cauliflower. I'm going to do a combo of the two. Just about 5 years into the keto diet. In my opinion, the best way to make broccoli and cauliflower is to steam fry it. And I've got my induction burner going right now. And I've got some water coming up to a boil. I've got a cup of cauliflower. I'm going to steam that for 3 minutes. Okay, there you go. There's our 3 minutes. And now I've got a cup of broccoli, just florets. You can see what they look like. Pretty simple. In we go, we'll just put them on top. I'm not even going to stir this because it's steaming. I'm going to put that on, and you can set your timer for another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how you like your broccoli. I don't like mine mushy, but I'm going to go for about 2.5 minutes. There you go. That's 2.5 minutes. Now what we're going to do, it's still pretty hot, so be careful. I'm going to take the water, and we're just going to drain it into a bowl like that. Pot back on. We're going up into a high heat, and we're going to add the broccoli and cauliflower back into the pot, steam out the moisture, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. This is where the frying part comes in. It doesn't wash out all the flavors. The broccoli and cauliflower is really good for vitamins and fiber on the keto diet. So that's melted in there already. I'm just going to hit this probably for about 2 minutes just to steam it off and get that butter in there. I'm going to put some fresh pink Himalayan salt on there, just about that much from experience. Some fresh cracked pepper. You can put a little more at the table if you like. It smells fantastic. All of the water's out and the butter's just clinging to the vegetables. There you go, that's a couple of minutes. And I'm going to serve this nice and hot and fresh. I'm going to serve some nice carved ham with that. There you go. It's a very simple way. That's my steam fry, broccoli and cauliflower. Thanks for watching.